Respected viewers, whenever we try to delete or remove a number from our Facebook account, we often face an issue. A message appears saying, "You can't make the change at the moment," meaning you can't change it right now. Even after waiting and trying again, the same message keeps appearing, preventing us from removing any number from our Facebook account. But today, I'll show you just 2 simple tricks. If you follow them, you will be able to remove any number from your Facebook account 100% successfully. Before starting the video, I request you, if you haven't liked the video yet, please do. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, because your likes and subscriptions greatly motivate us to make more helpful videos. So, let's begin. Step 1. Update Facebook app first. Go to the Play Store on your phone. Search for Facebook and you'll see the official Facebook app. Update it, because a new update has just been released this morning. Once updated, I'll open the app, log in using my number and password. You can see I'm now logged in. Now tap on the profile icon at the top, then tap on the settings icon. You'll see many options. Scroll and find Account Center and tap See More in Account Center. Scroll down a bit and tap Personal Details, then tap on Contact Info. Here, you'll see your phone numbers and Gmail address. You can see that I've added 3 phone numbers and 1 Gmail. Let's say I want to delete the top number. Just tap that number, then choose Delete Number. Then confirm again by tapping Delete. Now it will ask for your Facebook password. Enter it correctly. Tap Continue. But after doing this, a message appears again, even after the update. The number doesn't get deleted. It just takes us back to the previous page. Step 2. Use Chrome browser. So now we'll try the second trick. Open Google Chrome, and in the search bar, type facebook.com. Log in using your number and password. After logging in, click on the 3-dot menu in Chrome. Then select Desktop Site. Now Facebook will load in desktop view on your phone. In the address bar, tap on the link and copy it. Then paste it again in the address bar. At the end of the link, type Hacked and hit Enter. Now a page will appear. Choose the option. Someone else got into my account without my permission. Then click Continue. After a brief loading, click Get Started. Wait a few seconds while it checks your account. Once it's done, click Continue again. Now it'll ask you to create a new password. Note, you cannot use your old password. Use a new one. Enter a new password, then tap Continue. Now you'll see the number you wanted to remove. Tap it, a check mark will appear, then click Continue. Next, Facebook will show you pages you follow. Tap Continue again. You'll see another interface. Scroll down and tap Continue again. After a short wait, you'll see a message. All finished, meaning everything has been verified and completed. Tap Go to Newsfeed. Final check now. Tap the 3 lines icon again, open a new tab, and search for facebook.com again. Log in and navigate the same way. Settings. See More in Account Center, Personal Details, Contact Info. You will now see that the number you removed is no longer there. I had 3 numbers, ending in 03, and that one has now been removed. Respected viewers, that was the full process. If after this you face any problem logging into your Facebook app, you can reset your password. There's a video on how to do that. It's available on the end screen or in the video description box. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.